Good morning to everybody. Welcome to online classes. Regarding entering the door to hell, today I'll tell you additional information which is related to this section. Unit 1, Section 2, entering the door to hell. It is the additional information regarding the crater. One by one I will explain so that you can understand the story. What is the definition of a crater on a volcano? A volcanic crater is roughly circular depression in the ground caused by volcanic activity. It is typically a bowl-shaped feature within which occurs a or vents during volcanic eruptions. Eruptions here means explosion or outburst. So during volcanic eruptions, molten magma means molten material within the earth crust from which igneous rock is formed. So molten magma and the volcanic gases from underground magma chamber through a tube-shaped conduit. Conduit means pipe or tube for conveying water or other fluid. So through a tube-shaped conduit until they reach the crater's vent, from where the gases escape into the atmosphere, and the magma is erupted as lava. A volcanic crater can be of large dimensions and sometimes of great depth. During certain types of explosive eruption, a volcano's magma chamber may empty enough for an area above it to subside, forming a type of larger crater known as caldera, a large basin-like depression resulting from the explosion or collapse of center of the volcano. How crater is formed? It is not yet explained in this section, so I am explaining you so that you can understand. Craters come into two flavors: those that are not caused by ancestral or comets. Impacts craters are formed by powerful volcanic explosion. Such outbursts can be violent enough that once the eruption is over, the volcano collapsed on its empty vacant magma chamber and forms caldera or volcanic crater. What are the two types of crater? There is two types crater. One is simple crater, one is complex crater. Just I will explain. Impact craters are divided into two groups, simple crater and complex crater. Simple craters are relatively small and depth about 1/5 or 1/7 of the crater diameter. In large craters, gravity causes the steep crater walls to collapse downward and inward. A complex structure forms with a central peak or peak ring and shallower depth 1/10 to 1/20th diameter. The diameter at which crater become complex depends on the surface gravity of the planet. The greater the gravity, the smaller the diameter of the complex structure. On Earth, simple crater are usually less than 2 km to 4 km in diameter, depending on the properties of the rock at the site of impact. On the Moon, at one side, Earth's gravity, simple craters are less than 15 to 20 km in diameter. There are 128 impact craters recorded in the most recent count, means it was counted on 2015 June 30. Where are gas fields? A gas field is an area of a natural gas underground produced by decay of organic material. Now, in the next lecture, I will go for Darwaza gas crater.